Have you ever found yourself staring at your terminal, wondering why your command isn't working? It can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get things done. If you've ever used Commander.js and faced this issue, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to display help when no commands are provided. I totally get it. You want your command line tool to be user-friendly, and nothing is more confusing than calling a command without knowing what to do next. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with command line interfaces. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I display a default message when Commander.js is called without any subcommands?" They want their program to behave like Git, which shows usage information when no command is provided. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, why is this happening? When you call your command without any subcommands, Commander.js doesn't know what to do, and it simply does nothing. We need to add a way for it to respond appropriately, just like Git does. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your command line tools even more user-friendly. To display a default message when the user calls the command without any subcommands, we will start by adding a listener for the command tar event. This will allow us to catch any command that is not recognized. Next, the user should define the default message that will be displayed. This message should guide the user on how to use the command properly. Now, the user can test the implementation. They should run the command without any subcommands to see if the default message appears as expected. Finally, the user can enhance the default message by adding more details or examples of how to use the available subcommands effectively. Fun fact: did you know that the first command line interface was developed in the 1960s? It's amazing how far we've come since then, but some things like user experience still need improvement. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests checking the length of the process.argv array. If it's less than or equal to 2, you can display the help message. Otherwise, you would proceed to parse the commands. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user suggests that starting from Commander version 5, the help message is automatically displayed when the command is called without any subcommands. This means you don't need to implement additional logic for this functionality. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always provide clear instructions for your users. A simple message can save them a lot of confusion and frustration. And there you have it. Now your Commander.js program will display a helpful message when no commands are provided. Remember, a little user-friendly design goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more command line tricks.